Before the coronavirus pandemic, Turnbull and Ass produced luxury shirts worn by members of the British royal family. But now, one of its workrooms has been repurposed to manufacture medical-grade garments.
We just wanted to do whatever we could to help, really, and because we had the skills and the facilities to do that, we really felt sort of duty-bound. We're all in this together, and the best way we're going to get through this is through collaboration and partnership.
Other high-end fashion brands like Barbour and Burberry are also joining the effort. Healthcare workers dealing with coronavirus patients require far more than masks and gloves like these. It's estimated that hospital staff in England alone use 150,000 protective gowns per day. Turnbull and Ass's 19 machinists make 700 sets of scrubs a week and plan to get up to 1,000 a week soon. They've partnered with a National Health Service supplier and have implemented major changes to workflow.
We had to bring in some machines to deal in particular with the change in fabrication, but it also involved quite a significant change to working practices. We were essentially moving from a small labour-intensive, complex sewing sort of production lines to much more mass-produced sewing techniques.
While British manufacturers are playing their part, the UK is also relying heavily on imports. 84 tonnes of personal protective equipment, or PPE, is being delivered to the UK from Turkey this week. But this is only a fraction of what's required. And it's not just the British government securing shipments. Initiatives like Masks for NHS Heroes has raised over $2 million in donations, which is going towards sourcing smaller orders from factories in China.
Essentially, it's any critical PPE that's going to save lives. So respirator face masks, and there are the full face shield or visors. Then there are the surgical gowns, and those are the three that we're focusing on because those are the ones which are termed as urgent when it comes to the UK procurement guidelines.
These collective efforts are certainly helping to meet the need for PPE, but it's still not enough, and there are warnings that the supplies of this critical gear are running dangerously low. Natalie Powell, TRT World, London.